the profound tapestry of existence, there exists a sacred thread, a sonorous resonance that transcends the boundaries of human comprehension, weaving together the fabric of spirituality and mysticism. Welcome, dear seekers, to a realm where the cosmic symphony of the universe finds its voice, a symphony encapsulated in the timeless and mystical chant, Om. In this enchanted exploration, we shall embark upon a journey that unveils the veiled mysteries of Om, a chant that resonates through the corridors of time, touching the very essence of human existence. Join us as we unravel the ethereal tapestry of Om, delving deep into its mystical and magical aspects and uncovering the hidden keys to higher realms of consciousness. Prepare to be immersed in the sublime aura of Om as we delve into the depths of its origins and unearth its secrets, for this is a voyage that will transcend the ordinary and guide us to the mystical and magical heart of Om. In the mystical heart of Jainism, Om reverberates as a symbol of divine grace, representing the five Parameshthis, the supreme spiritual beings. The celestial resonance of Om is chanted as a vessel for invoking blessings and spiritual communion. It becomes a sacred key to the gates of the spiritual realm. Om is a cipher of profound mystical significance, serving as both a sacred symbol and a celestial sound. Within the cryptic depths of Hinduism, the symbol for Om embodies a transcendent power that weaves the threads of the divine into the fabric of existence. This sacred symbol graces temples, sacred texts, and meditative visions, an eternal mark of the ineffable. The resonance of Om holds the key to inner mysteries, connecting the seeker with their own soul and the divine. Chanting Om, a meditative odyssey, leads to a profound sense of serenity and spiritual awakening. It aligns with the chakras, the cosmic energy centers, harmonizing and balancing the seeker's very essence. The Om chant unfurls an enigmatic tapestry, rich in mysticism, with its origins shrouded in the mists of time. Its mystic footprints transcend into Buddhism and Jainism, where it adapts to the unique spiritual landscapes of these traditions. Om stands as a radiant emblem, both celestial symbol and transcendent sound, guiding the seeker towards the illumination of higher consciousness and a profound communion with the divine in the eternal quest for spiritual enlightenment. Om emerges from the tapestry of mysticism and resounds with the echo of the cosmos itself. Its ethereal vibrations resonate with the very heartbeat of the universe, a resonance that transcends time and space. Om is regarded as the primordial sound, the sacred syllable from which creation emanated. Enshrouded in the ancient verses of the Vedas, it conceals the mystical secrets of the cosmos. Om is the luminous bridge that spans the abyss between the mundane and the celestial. When intoned, it unites the seeker with higher consciousness, unveiling the profound mysteries of existence. A signifies awakening, the dawning of spiritual awareness. U represents union, the merging of individual consciousness with the cosmic. And M embodies transcendence, the journey beyond the limits of the material realm. These vibrations invoke a mystical ascent, leading the practitioner on an odyssey into the realms of the divine. Om is believed to be the sacred key that unlocks the cosmic conduit. It aligns the seeker's consciousness with the divine, opening the portals to unseen dimensions. The resonance of Om resonates within the soul, echoing in the deepest chambers of the heart. It awakens dormant faculties and offers a glimpse of the infinite, guiding the seeker towards self-realization and the illumination of the soul. In this mystical journey, Om emerges as the eternal chant, carrying with it the secrets of the cosmos and the sacred knowledge of the divine. It acts as a mystical beacon, leading the seeker through the labyrinth of existence towards higher consciousness and a profound connection with the cosmic realms. In the resounding echo of Om, the mystical secrets of the universe are unveiled, and the seeker's path to enlightenment is illuminated. Mantras stand as potent keys to unlock the gateways of the divine. These sacred syllables, when chanted with devotion, have the power to transform reality and transcend the boundaries of the ordinary. At the zenith of this ancient art, the Om mantra shines as the most powerful and revered among them all. Om is considered the elixir of transformation, an enchanting symphony of cosmic energies. When pronounced with reverence, Om is believed to awaken dormant forces within the practitioner, harnessing the mystical powers of creation and dissolution. Chanting Om is said to hold within it the ability to manifest one's deepest desires. The vibrations of A, U, and M align with the creative energies of the universe, allowing the practitioner to weave their intentions into the fabric of reality. Like an alchemical formula, Om possesses the magical touch to bring dreams to life. In the mystical tradition, Om is a shield against the malevolent forces that seek to obscure the seeker's path. As the sacred vibrations resound, they create a protective barrier, warding off negative energies and dark intentions. It is the mystical guardian that guides the seeker through the labyrinth of existence, ensuring their spiritual journey remains untarnished. In this mystical odyssey, Om becomes the enchanted wand, the sacred spell, and the cosmic guardian, bridging the realms of the earthly and the divine. Its resonance, both enchanting and transformative, reveals the sacred alchemy that lies within the art of mantras, unlocking the mystical realms of manifestation and protection. In the enchanting vibrations of Om, the seeker discovers the keys to the universe's mysteries, a mystical journey filled with boundless wonder and infinite potential. Close your eyes, dear viewers, and let us embark on a journey into the profound mysticism of Om meditation. In the gentle stillness of your inner world, you'll discover the transformative power of this sacred chant. As you sit in a comfortable meditative posture, begin by taking a few deep breaths. Feel the weight of the world slipping away, surrendering to the sacred silence within you. Close your eyes and center your consciousness on the present moment. Now, with a heart filled with reverence, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, release the mystical sound, Om. Let it flow naturally, vibrating from the depths of your being. As you chant, allow the vibrations to resonate with the stillness of your soul. With each successive chant, imagine your voice resonating through the cosmic ocean, echoing through the ethereal realms. Feel your being aligning with the divine, merging with the boundless energy of the universe. It is a dance, a journey of transformation, where you shed the burdens of the ordinary and step into the mystical unknown. Incorporating Om into your daily spiritual practice, even for just a few minutes, can work wonders. It becomes the mystical alchemist, transmuting your ordinary existence into an extraordinary one. As you meditate on Om, you connect with your deepest self and tap into the infinite potential of the universe. Om is not just a sound, it's a guiding star in the labyrinth of existence. Embrace it as your daily companion on your spiritual journey. Its transformative magic will help you navigate through life's challenges with grace and manifest your desires with intention. Unlock the transformative power of Om, discovering that the mystical realms of existence are not distant, but ever present within your own heart. As we conclude our journey into the mystical realm of the sacred chant Om, I invite you to embrace its profound wisdom and healing vibrations. Om, the universal sound, connects us to the essence of existence, transcending boundaries and resonating with the very core of our being. I encourage you, dear viewers, to explore the enchanting world of Om further, whether through your own meditation practice, where you can dive into the depths of your consciousness and experience the unity of all life, or by seeking wisdom from knowledgeable sources and teachers who can guide you on this spiritual path. Remember, the power of Om lies within you, waiting to be awakened. As you embark on your journey of self-discovery, let the sacred sound of Om be your guiding light, illuminating the path to inner peace and enlightenment. If you found this exploration of Om enlightening, I invite you to like, share and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you become part of our mystical community, where we delve into the depths of spiritual wisdom and the mysteries of the universe. Together, we will continue to uncover the secrets of existence, one sacred chant at a time.